Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today I'm exploring the new Hindware Callisto water purifier. Now this is best-in-class combination of stylish design and advanced technology of RO plus UV plus UF to give you purified drinking water free from all kinds of impurities. Let's dive into its star features straight away. To begin with, Hindware Callisto comes with an advanced 6-stage purification technology which includes sediment, pre-carbon, superior RO membrane, UV, ultrafiltration, post-carbon filters to remove impurities such as dirt, germs, hardness, heavy metals, chlorine, smell, colors, etc. 100% of the water passes through various filters of RO plus UV plus UF. For you, this simply means clean and pure water. With ordinary water purifiers, one of the most common areas of struggle is cleaning it and getting it serviced on a regular basis. This is usually a very cumbersome activity. But with Hindware's Callisto water purifier, this problem is solved with its magnet-assisted detachable front cover. This makes cleaning and servicing easy, smart and efficient. Moving on, not only is the Hindware Callisto water purifier state-of-the-art technology functionally, but is also a piece of art in itself. Talking about its elegant design, the transparent white tap handle gives you ease of use and makes your kitchen look really stylish. Its comprehensive LED indicator adds to its beautiful design and functionality. It has the power indicator, wherein red light glows when the power is on. Second is the tank full indicator. Once purification is completed and the tank is full, the green light glows. And lastly, the purification indicator. Once the purification process starts, the yellow light glows until the tank is full. So viewers, I would say it's a complete package. It comes with a large storage capacity of 7 liters. It's easy to install with tabletop and wall mount options. And most importantly, it purifies all types of impurities in water with a TDS up to 1800 ppm. So whether it's supply water or groundwater, with Hindware's Callisto, you can be assured of pure drinking water. Guys, I can tell you in today's time, it's no less than a blessing to have pure water delivered to you. And with this water purifier, Hindware promises health and happiness for your family. More than just pure drinking water, Hindware has gone a step further to assure its performance. The company gives you 12 months comprehensive warranty from the date of installation, 6 months for all filters, and 12 months overall warranty for the RO membrane. So go ahead and get this best-in-class water purifier from Hindware on Flipkart. Because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me. Have a perfect bye.